Okay, as I do this, I want to create a brand new GitHub project for Q3 agency. Let's create this unit plan now. So I want to just make a table here. Let's call this. So this is going to be a template. B.9.0. What is this? This is internal. After internal development platform, we're going to create internal. What is this? Education platform. So this is like the internal education platform. Internal education platform. Yeah. And let's just list out, let's create the work breakdown structure. Because I think I want to keep this pretty WBS. And then we'll keep this as text. Rearrange the tabs. It's nice knowing that this can be done here. Just like that. Oops, that didn't work. There. And then we'll save this. And really, I'm pulling this from, okay, let's put the first title in here. Let's say memo, agenda, minutes, debrief. So this is going to be B.9.0. B.9.0.0. Is that right? B.9.0, 0.1, B.9.0.0, B.9.0.0.3. I don't need say we're gonna sketch training unit plan minutes. Yeah, let's do this today because I want to do this a specific way. I want to be able to track each day separately. So this is going to be 26 and 27 because that's how we're going to end it. And now the next sections are going to be, there are going to be 3 sections, and each one of those sections is going to be, you think of it as a lesson plan. This whole thing is a unit plan, and then each one of these will be a lesson plan. So the first lesson plan is going to be for publishing. B.9.0.1.02. Because this is going to be day one, this will be day two, and this will be the third day. These are going to be wrapped up at the end, but still associated with 9.0.0. That's why that is that way. Let's do this. Problem diagnosis, outline curriculum, goal and problem solving agents. And then we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's good. And this is going to be problem decomposition, initial state. I'm going to create a column for this. I'm just going to call it problem formulation. It's going to be single select. Let's just make it really easy. So we'll say zero problem diagnosis and add it. And I do want to I'm going to keep all this really consistent. I want to be really redundant with all of this. So you have problem diagnosis. 1 is problem decomposition initial state. Let's add that and let's make it red. Two, problem decomposition actions. Is that already orange? Or, yeah, that's orange, right? Yes. And it's 3, problem reframing transition model. Let's add that. Let's make it yellow. Next, we have 4, problem reframing goal test and path cost. Save. Oops, let's edit this more. That's easier anyway. 4, problem reframing goal tests path cost. Next we have, oh man, that isn't out there. Let me see. I think it's constraint design, is that right? Solution. And then again, constraint design, but optimal solution. So these are terms that I've learned as I've been working through AI problem formulation. I think it's blue here. This is green. And I'm just lining it up with the chakras. I'm lining it up with the story, Dan Harmon's story circle. I'm lining it up with like the wait here, what do we have? So then future states is actually from, that is from, let's make this gray. Future states is from just like the investment memo listing that I saw before. But I'm good with this. Let me come back to this project. Let me rearrange this so it's right after the work breakdown structure. Oops. Cool. And now we can just write this in here a lot easier. Problem diagnosis, problem decomposition. So yeah, this is going to be define curriculum goal and problem solving agents. So we're going to publish the curriculum, then we're going to publish curriculum 3 mind solution statement, and then outline curriculum task list. What do we want to say here? Not task, draft solution, not even solution. I want to say, let's make sure we add these in. So this is going to be premise 3, 4. And I like that with the problem reframing and path costs because we're finalizing the proof of work. Draft. Draft curriculum. What am I doing here for the curriculum? So, finalize platform page and add documentation. So that's how it is for each one of these, and that is just so clear. And that'll allow me, I'm going to keep listening to Cal Newport, I think that's his name, just to make sure that, doing it this way, before I was trying to do all of these agenda items in one day. As an example, today I listed out all of these for publishing the Framer website, which is related to the minutes, or the unit plan, I should say. Let's actually change this. Curriculum, define curriculum, publish 3-body problem statement. Oops. Curriculum, publish 3-mind solution statement. Curriculum, and I like it being vague because everyone will be able to define their own proof of work up here with like the memo and the curriculum. Maybe I should just keep all 4 of them up there, but we can always change the work breakdown structure later. Let's not even add these numbers in. Actually, no, we'll leave it like this. That makes sense. Digressing, let's say curriculum. It's going to be redundant, so draft proof of work debrief. Let's say curriculum, edit proof of work debrief, and create storyboard. Curriculum, publish proof of work debrief, and storyboard. That is the same for each and every lesson plan. That is a lesson. Each day is a different lesson. Each day is a different step within AI problem formulation. So as people learn how to do this in a step-by-step manner, we'll be able to offload this onto AI. So people will just be able to say, they'll be able to just write up a memo, and then we'll be able to train a model to really work through step-by-step how we do this. But that's going to be maybe like a year down the road. Not even worried about that right now. Okay, so the next set, let's just keep this really easy, because then all of this will just be unit plan. I'll just copy this. Oh, that's not really going to be helpful because I have to copy all these. Let's just do it all at once. So 3-body problem, 3-mind solution, outline, verify, draft, edit, and publish. Alright, so now let's just go through and update all of these so they all say unit plan. That makes it way easier. Okay, unit plan. Good. And we're good. Cool. So we'll start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and let's just do one more round of these. This is all for the lesson plan now. I like this a lot. This is going to allow me to really streamline how quickly I create these internal developer platforms for each team. Outline, verify, draft, edit, publish. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. let's change all of these to lesson plan. This is a product. And then when each one of these will have its own set of steps within it that people can easily work through. And it'll all add up really nicely. And the idea here is like let everyone I think all of this at the top is problem diagnosis, right? Yeah, that's the thing. That's why that's useful. All of this, there's 0 problem diagnosis, and then there's 7 problem diagnosis, and that's what these are going to be. I don't know. I think it would be better to keep all this at the top. Yeah. Let's call them processes. They're really, I mean, they are, they're like lessons, but okay. These are fine at the end because there's going to be a hidden row anyway. Let's go memo, 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 memo. And then we got curriculum. Can I copy and paste these? Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go unit plan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and wrap up with the lesson plan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Cool. And then we're going to group this by the lessons. Further, save this, and let's hide this column. They're grouped by it, no need for us to see the field. B.9.0.1.02, B.9.0.1.03. Okay. B.9.0.3.03. Okay, so that is the entire outline of this. Let me just save this. Let's see, what else do I need? Do anything else with this? Do I want to add in? I really don't think I need to add in some of those other fields that I was thinking of before. I think keeping it really straightforward, letting people know this is where we are. They don't need to see the chakras. They don't need to see the institutions. All of that's implied. And also, it's going to be explained more within these transition models. So I don't want to overwhelm people with this. These terms in them, like standalone, could be overwhelming enough for people. So let's just keep it straightforward, just like this. So now I'm going to go to settings, make this public. Let me go back here. Where was that change log? I feel like that wasn't just that README. Yeah, I'm gonna be kind of messy in the other sheet because I'm gonna be working on stuff that would be done in a different place. So like, for instance, today I'm gonna be working on stuff related to publishing the Framer website, where in the month right now, I should be really working on the lesson plan. I should be working on publishing like a blog post or something about this, but I'm lagging since this is my first time through this, which is fine. 2024 05 01. Let's do this. 05 01 Wednesday 1818 CST. No, it's not education. It's going to be, yeah, so it's by the executive. So this is an executive training. So this is internal human resource platform. Yep. Yeah, so let's just do that. Let's not even try to come up with new catchy names. This is just going to be, let's make this a bullet list. Internal Chief Human Resource Officer, developer, internal developer platform. Okay, now that this is the product, so this is really all right, I can't do that from here, so let me go to GitHub on the browser. And we got projects. Let's come here. I'll do this. Oh, right, I was keeping this all in train farb. So let's go back to train farb. What did I do here? This is just for the curriculum. Oh, that won't do. That just won't do. It's interesting how much this has changed. I'm going to keep all of these, but I will state that these are so we'll have active. Let's just do that for now. Let's just delete these. There's nothing in them, no need. Just paste this in. Perfect. Let's turn it into an issue. see. That's fine. Actually, no, let's just archive this because I know I'm not gonna. This is the only one that I would want to show people. So I'm going to archive all of these just so I can see that they were done. I have an understanding about them, but I'm not going to worry about them too much. And I'm just going to sort this. I'm going to group by active and archived. So right now, this is the only active one that I have. Click on this, it takes you right there, and then a person can go, they can copy it, and they can run with it. And then I'll be updating this over time. Oh, I can add multiple updates. That's interesting. Oh, that's beautiful. I like that a lot. So we just focused on yeah, let's even make this simpler. That's going to say, let's say internal developer training platform. I like that. Internal developer training platform. And let's go back to train farb, proof of work. I didn't save it. Okay, let's group that again. Let's save it this time. Status, save. Perfect. I'm going to end this here, and then the next video I'll just be loading in today's agenda, into the lesson plan.